going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel for another detailing video. It's me, Deontay, here with Premium Lifestyle Detailing out here in Portland, Oregon. Today's video, we are finally introducing compressed air to our details. This is gonna be a game changer, I already know it. I've had experience with compressed air, of course, in the past. Haven't had it here at this new shop. I actually bought this air hose, which is very bad advice. Do not buy what's cheapest first. Buy the actual thing and then work from there. I really couldn't get myself to pay 400 bucks and then another 250 for the Tornador and the Tornador blower and everything like that. But I made some money and I said everything I make from detailing goes back into detailing until I've officially made it. This is the one that's like 70% quieter, so I'm excited to hear what it sounds like, if I can hear it. And this one goes up to 200 PSI, 4.5 gallon tank. And this is the one that all the detailers use, all the detailers have seen, and it's nothing new under the sun. But I finally got it here at my shop, so that's what's new. So first we'll just unbox the Tornador blowout tool. I already opened it up because I could not wait. But here's what this looks like. I think they gave me a used one. The finish doesn't look very like brand new clean, but I don't care as long as it works properly. I already installed the quick release tool and it's ready to go. So excited to test this out right now. And then we're also going to be testing out the Tornador cleaning tool. So have you guys seen this before? Let me know. This is the Black Addiction Tornador Max. Hopefully this works just as good as all the other ones. This one came with a light on top. Check this out. So while you're cleaning in the dark, I guess you can use it. Even has a strobe, but I don't know why anyone would ever even need a light anyway. We could put that on our heads. It's got a swivel right here at the bottom, the black finish with the little rubber accent on all like the little handle pieces. This bottom piece is rubber right here. And it just feels nice and solid. You would think with all the videos I've seen of this thing, I know where the on button is. Aha. Not loud at all. Twisting it adjusts how much your output is. Right now we're at 50 PSI on the output. And I'm gonna read the instructions and see what the Tornador wants to run at. Tornador Max cleaning tool requires a consistent air pressure between 4.5 and 6.5 bar at 78 to 90 PSI for optimum performance. Output set to, it's at 80 right now, so right in between there. Hopefully that's right. I think that's right. Let's give this thing a test. Oh yeah. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. It just sounds like it's running too high. Oh, you pull this thing up to lock it. Ah, see, I pushed down. Now it's gonna lock at 75. There it goes. Okay guys, I want you to pretend that this is a carpet mat. Hard to do, but here's a good scenario of how this air tool is gonna come handy, right? So before I do the interior, before I go to vacuuming, I'm gonna go over all the leather seats and everything like that. And this. Boom, all the loose stuff is gone. See? All the loose stuff gone just like that within 3 seconds. And then we take this one off, slap on the Tornador, again in a real life situation, because I don't have anything dirty here to use. You guys are gonna see a lot more of this air compressor content on the channel. So just make sure you guys are subscribed. Here's a cleaning example. we would just follow up with a towel. Boom. Being able to have something like this is going to be a game changer to my detailing, and yeah, couldn't be more excited right now to go. I just want to go do an interior job right now. For anyone who does not have compressed air inside of their detailing, I didn't for the last year, and now that I finally do, and I'm going to put this thing to the test. I've been seeing tons of YouTube videos and other people using it and using it over at our shop. You need compressed air if you want to be in and out and do a very thorough job. So you can still get the job done with brushes, you can still get the job done with steamers and everything like that, but to make it really quick, to get debris out, to get the door panels all cleaned up really quick, to be in and out and do a thorough job, I definitely think the Tornador is the way to go, especially for those people that are trying to shoot for like 6 cars a day and they're doing full interior. I can only do 2 to 3 a day. That's the max I can do. I haven't even been able to do 3 a day because I'm not that busy. I have a full-time job already, so I usually stick to 1 in the afternoon or 2 on the weekend. But yeah, I'm really curious to see how much faster I can knock down my time, because time is money, and that is what's most important in making money in our businesses. That's it, guys. Unboxing of the new Tornador and rigid air compressor. Couldn't be more excited. Make sure you guys drop a like, subscribe to the channel if you're new. It's Deontay with Premium Lifestyle Detailing, and we out.